Day one with my first 3D printer, and honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. Step 1. Open the box like it's a spaceship from the future. Step 2. Stare at the instructions for 20 minutes. Step 3. Pretend I understand what calibration means. Not gonna lie, I was a little scared to press print. Like, what if this thing became self-aware? But after a bunch of setup, random buttons, and me acting like an engineer, the first test print actually worked. And just like that, I'm officially entering my 3D printing era. This might be the beginning of a new addiction. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment what should I print next.